Welcome to Jamaica.
Lima Airborne 20, traffic, state winds through 21, turning sign 11 miles, radar 120.8.
Copy, radar 120 is on the way about November Lima.
Quebec Sierra is holding short, runway 7, we're ready.
142 Quebec Sierra, Sunset Tower, line up and wait, runway 07.
07, 142 Quebec Sierra.
42 Quebec Sierra, clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 120 degrees, 9 knots.
07, 142 Quebec Sierra.
Three 148, pushback engine start approved, gate 14. Thanks for tower. Good morning. Continue approach on 07, wind 140 degrees, 9 knots.
Airwing 2828.
Section straight wings 2828. Continue approach on 07, wind 140 degrees, 8 knots.
Approach range 2028.
2828, clear to land on 07, wind 140 degrees, 8 knots.
And on 07, range 2828.
42 Quebec Sierra, airborne 25, radar 120, that's my good day.
20.8, 142 Quebec Sierra, good day.
Winds 2828, arrive 27, vacate via taxiway Alpha. Confirm date.
Alpha, we don't have a gate yet.
Taxi Alpha, hold short, Echo, advise ground 1217 when you have the gate.
Echo and ground 0.7 when we have the gate clearing. 2020. After American 863, fully ready at 07.
American 863, thanks for tower, confirm ready.
Ready at 07, American 863.
63, line up and wait, runway 07.
07, American 863.
Eight 6 clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 090 degrees, 6 knots.
Runway 07, American 863.
863 Airborne 32, radar 120.8.
863.
Tree 148, thanks to tower, confirm polarity.
148, holding short, runway 07 at Alpha, ready for departure.
148, thanks to tower, roger. Clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 190 degrees, 5 knots.
Runway 07, American 3148.
Is with you 3.5 from Hossein.
American 3148, Airborne 38, radar 120.8, good day.
0.8, good day, 3148.
833, thanks to tower, good morning, continue approach, runway 07, wind 190 degrees, 7 knots.
Continuing approach, Spirit 833.
Tree 80, thanks to tower, confirm ready at the end.
And JetBlue 380.
Tree 80, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 190 degrees, 7 knots.
Runway 7, copy to wind, JetBlue 380.
833, continue approach, JetBlue Airbus 321 on the road.
And that's Spirit 833, continuing.
Clarify, JetBlue 380 is cleared for takeoff.
Blue 380, affirm, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 190 degrees, 7 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 07, JetBlue 380.
clear to land, runway 07, wind 190 degrees 7 knots.
Runway 07, Spirit 833.
JetBlue 380, airborne 44, contact radar 120.8, good day.
Good day, JetBlue 380.
1955, joining final runway 7.
955, thanks to tower, good morning. Continue approach runway 07, wind 190 degrees 6 knots.
We'll continue Delta 1955.
This is 833, arrive 45, vacate via taxiway Alpha, confirm the gate.
813, we'll take Alpha here, Freeway 833.
This is 833, taxi Alpha, hold short, Echo, be advised gate 13 occupied, monitor ground 1217.
Short Echo 112.7, Freeway 833.
Delta 1955, clear to land runway 07, wind 200 degrees 5 knots.
Runway 7, Delta 1955. RMP runway 7.
Blue 2427, thanks to tower, good morning. Continue approach runway 07, wind 200 degrees 6 knots.
Runway 07, JetBlue 2427.
Delta 1955, arrive 50, vacate via taxiway Alpha, confirm you have the gate.
Via Alpha, gate 17.
1955, be advised gate 17 occupied, taxi Alpha, hold short, Echo, advised ground 1217 of new gate.
Echo Delta 1955, book ground.
Two 2427, clear to land runway 07, wind 210 degrees 6 knots.
Runway
runway 07, JetBlue 2427.
Langley Tower, good day. Air Canada 982 on the RMP 07.
Air 2 Langley Tower, good morning. Continue approach runway 07, wind 230 degrees, 5 knots, reduce minimum approach speed.
Continue your approach and we'll slow to minimum approach speed. Air Canada 982.
Langley Tower, confirm ready.
Yeah, all ready for departure in sequence. Wish at 2709.
709 behind the landing JetBlue Airbus 320 short final, line up and wait behind.
After landing traffic. Line of white, runway 07, wish at 2709.
Two 427 arrive 54X flight vacating Alpha, ground 12171 cleared.
Alright, Alpha, and then over to ground, 2427.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 220 degrees, 6 knots, traffic 4 miles final.
Take off runway 09, wish at 2709.
Continue approach, Boeing 738 on roll.
982.
Canada 982, clear to land, wind 220 degrees, 6 knots.
07 Air Canada 982.
Jet 2709, airborne 56, radar 120 decimal, good day.
120 decimal, wish at 2709.
Canada 982, arrive 57, vacate via taxiway Alpha. Confirm the gate.
Okay, via Alpha, we are going to gate 18, Air Canada at 982.
982, Roger, taxi Alpha Echo, gate 18.
Go, gate 18, Air Canada 982.